Hey there, what's going on, guys? Hope you're enjoying your fine Tuesday afternoon. It's a pretty nice day out, but that may change next week. And I'm going to talk about our next chance for snowfall and the cold air that could be coming because we really haven't had much cold air at all this winter. And that system I mentioned about a week ago that came over here and supposed to ride up to the northeast looks like it may happen and could give us a chance for rain and perhaps some snow. This is the GFS, and as you can tell, the little system's right here, and it's going to move to the northeast. This is the NAM. This is the NAM's rain snow line for that little system there, and it actually does give us enough cold air for maybe some snow along in north of I-80. But it also blows up the snowstorm to our east. Doesn't really affect us that much, but nonetheless something to watch. The GFS has this thing developing a little bit quicker, but the rain and snow line is further to our west and gives us rain for the most part. So this system does not look like nearly as powerful as the past few systems we've had either, but something to watch. The NAM actually has a little tiny system right after this one rolls out on Sunday night, and it rolls into our area, brings some light snow showers, some flurries, and maybe some light accumulations. A little bit far out there to make any judgment on that, but behind it has got some extremely cold air that should crash down to the central and eastern United States. And that pattern I mentioned earlier, when the North Atlantic Oscillation goes negative, you typically get weakening of westerlies. And what happens is this Arctic air just spills into the central and eastern United States, as you can see here. And it can get really cold, and you can actually get a very stormy pattern up the eastern United States into the Gulf Coast region. And I think that's going to happen quite a bit this month. And it should be a much colder month this month. Here's actually let's go back. Here's the European for early next week, and you can see that cold air spilling in. It is extremely cold in this area. This is just above surface. So the European is definitely saying this, and the GFS is as well. This entire belt of cold air begins to move to the east, so the northeastern United States and East Coast is going to get it too. This whole area right here we're talking sub-zero. This area is single digits. So we're going to get temperatures probably in the single digits next week. A few days ago, it actually had sub-zero temperatures all the way in our area, but I'm not so concerned about the exact temperatures right now. It's just the signature that it's going to get cold. That looks to be pretty likely early next week and probably going to last maybe a week or two, maybe even longer, kind of off and on. But it's going to get cold, so get those Eskimo jackets out and get ready.